It refers to criminal intent. The literal translation from Latin is guilty mind. Answer: mens rea. It is Latin and literally means the thing speaks for itself, a doctrine or rule of evidence in tort law that permits an inference or presumption that a defendant was negligent in an accident. Answer: res ipsa loquitur. A wrongful act other than a breach of contract that injures another and for which the law imposes civil liability. Answer: tort. It is a Latin phrase which directly translates to not to wish to prosecute. Answer: nolle prosequere. It refers to the criminal action involved in a crime. It is the guilty act that a person does when they commit a crime. Answer: actus reus. It is a legal principle which states that one cannot be punished for doing something that is not prohibited by law. Answer: nulla poena sine lege. It is a doctrine that precludes individuals from arguing in court a position counter to what that person stated in a previous deed. Answer: estoppel by deed. It is a defense doctrine that prevents a party from using a right against another party when the right arises out of misleading actions from the person claiming the right. Answer: estoppel impious. It is a legal bar to alleging or denying a fact because of one's own previous actions or words to the contrary. Answer: estoppel. This doctrine provides that a court may take cognizance of facts which are generally known without requiring them to be proved. Answer: judicial notice.